Welcome to Login Page, your go-to destination for easy login tutorials. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Gimkit? In this comprehensive video guide, we'll show you how to effortlessly access your Gimkit account and embark on an engaging learning journey. Before we begin, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you. First, open your browser and enter www.gimkit.com into the address bar to access the website. I need to find and click on the login button on the open page. On this site, it's located in the top right corner. Let's click there. To sign in with your Google account, click here on the open screen. To sign in with your email address, enter your email address here and click on the Continue button. Then enter your password here and click on the Login button. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. Click here to reset your password. If you find this tutorial helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment and we'll be happy to help. And remember to subscribe to Login Page for more insightful tutorials to enhance your online experience.